Legend 55.
Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting. itiskitimes.co.za. FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs won against Amazulu, 1. It draw Kaizer Chiefs having won one game in the last 5 Betway Premiership games. Their last win was against Arrows back in August. In all the games that they've played, in the last 5 games, they've only managed to score 1 goal in their previous 5 games. Betway Premiership matches, 5 games. In all the games that they've scored, they've just scored 1 goal. The last conceded 3 goals against is Kukune. They've been conceding 1. They conceded 1 on Namhlanje. They conceded 1 in the previous game against Marumo Gallants. It seems like Chiefs, they are not Abakaifumani, they are scoring boots. They should have won by an avalanche of goals Namhlanje, but I just don't know what happened. But Bobzin when you na umdlalo mandokubulisa mfowethu kunjani?
Shane Nkrenda Tam.
Yeah.
Ithi ngibulise uJusto. Ngibulise uJunior noMachaka. Ngibambe iOuttam uLindo Pep. Ngibambe uNkuleko, ngibambe nelegend. Cheers number 15 uTho.
Oh, my God.
Cheers number 15.
Oh, my God.
Yeah.
Bobzin, what's happening?
Yeah, Shane. Yazi makhuluma the way Chiefs uthi idlala ama game amaningi yakoriko leli 1. Cishe last season Kaizer Chiefs they create ama chances amaningi kakhulu, failing to convert lawo ma chances. Now sibona basayina uSilva, bamsayinile uMayo ukhona kuleya kulesa striking force Kaizer Chiefs while kunolilepo lapha. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi iChiefs the way create ngakhona lama chances chain if bekwazi kwa convert bengabashaya abantu 5. You understand that? Because uma ngathi uyabheka decision making ku final third I problem ku Chiefs. Their end product uma ungabheka namhlanje njengoba ngikutshela iChiefs iqale kahle Chiefs wena Shane. Iqale kahle ngibone uLilepo the first 10 minutes wathola enye i1v1 no goalkeeper. Johnson, I think he did very well. Deserved the man of the match.
Well deserved.
Uma ungabheka the way Chiefs ifike ngakhona i-attacking ngakhona sibona no Modi athole elinye ithuba labe kumele khona I think is 2-1 score. But uMayo wadlala njenge center back. Wacleara lela ball ku goal line. It was a goal, Shane. Yes, ngaba mhlambe njenge striker ulambela amagoli mhlambe, you understand. Sometimes mabakusayina bazokutshela ukuthi ndoda sifuna amagoli kuwe. So nako lokho kungakwenzi ukuthi ugcina uba disparate ukuthi ugcina ungasazi nokuthi mhlambe yini into right ekumele ngiyenze enkundleni. Yeka lela bhola Shane. Sike sambona uThembazwana liyeka lela bhola.
I remember that game.
Exactly.
Yeka
lela bhola so ukhulile phela Shane uma ufana noMayo. Yeka lela bhola lihambe liyorole ne-team. Wena nje protect mhlambe opponent uma ngabe yezi ufuna ukuzocleara lela bhola. We understand. So ngicabanga ukuthi Chiefs bekumele iwinile le game Shane, especially first half man. Chiefs idlale kahle kakhulu Shane. So ingendlela ngisho ngakhona ngibheka the way there was only one player engimbona ngasondelanga duze nebox uMigwele. Kuwonke abadlali beChiefs kubo bonke labe bakhona bonke bafikile next to the box, abomthetho bafikile next to the box. Akekho umdlalo ongafikanga except ubani uMigwele. Kusho kona ukuthi Chiefs beyingenhla ngakumdlalo Shane. iChiefs bekumele le game iwinile because mawungabheka iyenze kahle konke, they did everything right. Only lela bhola leli ngikutshela ngalo nale goal abayiconsider and ungabheka leya goal bayiconsider ngakhona ngendlela beba attack ngakhona because uSolomon kuleya position bekakhuphukile la khona kudinga ubani udinga ukwinika ukuthi azoyenzani azocover kulesa space. Uma athi uyepressa lo yamdlali ofana no I think lentwana bedlala i-right winger yiyo exactly uma athi uyepressa le yantwana uNgwenya first pole yila khona bekumele kube na mina bengicabanga ukuthi kule double pivot mhlawumbe umthethwa bekumele drop kancane azo assist uMigwele because ushiftile umdlalo ofana nobani nokwinika uyopressa kulela side, you understand. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi iChiefs bekumele yenze kahle kakhulu Shane njengoba sibona bomthethwa abadlala kahle kakhulu. I think umthethwa if bekungasi man of the match goalkeeper bengamnikeza umthethwa even nokwinika. I think they did very well because ukwinika naye bese kaphusha kusho kona ukuthi isisu seAmazulu bese out. So uma ubheka the way Chiefs bedlala ngakhona nale creativity bebanayo bebadinga kuphela ukuthi ba convert lawo ma chances. Siyambona uCross Solomon bekuye umuntu ebeka runner first half beka run uSolomon asebenzisa lesa space because sibona umdlalo ofana noXTN kulela side bekangena deep kuAmaZulu azephakathi ngathi udlala as a half winger but lesa space ila beka operator khona uSolomon ngaphulilepo unikeza iAmaZulu abona Hanamup I problem because bese kuba i2 v1 ku Hanamup so uyabona ukuthi like Chiefs bekune fluidity Shane going forward la khona bekudinga kuphela ukuthi ba convert lawo ma chances then ba win le game so ibuya kule Chiefs engijwayele ukuthi I create ama chances amaningi bese bangakwazi ukuconvert and uma ungabheka Shane the way bidlala ngakhona nawe uyibona be deserve iwin Chiefs
they deserve to win lo mdlalo namhlanje wena bobo ngamagoli amaninzi first half first 30 minutes in fact Chiefs should have been done ngomdlalo namhlanje I think enye into mhlambe enike iAmaZulu going into half time. Okay, I mentioned Nguleko and while we were watching the game, what AmaZulu going into half time, kulo mdlalo namhlanje 1-1. Ibe result enhle kakhulu for AmaZulu. AmaZulu I think they believed ke half time ukuthi okay, guys, 45 minutes more. If survivela onslaught the Kaizer Chiefs, I think second half mhlawumbe bangabe bekhathele then we can do something. Arthur Zwane, tactics zakhe namhlanje, what did you make of his tactics namhlanje?
I think uAthazwane Shane bekafuna ukubamba iChiefs ngecounter ngicabanga ukuthi bekune trap ebekayisetile kulela side le right back yeKaizer Chiefs ukubona boSolomon balapha ku right back kunolilepo I think uyazi ukuthi iChiefs inokuhlupha kakhulu kulela side la kaLilepo not uModi since well nayo uModi simbonile ngamvaleli ngaphandle he did well today especially first half udlale kahle kakhulu createile we understand into finance so ngiyacabanga ukuthi nayo udlala so ucoach Zwane ngiyacabanga ukuthi le trap ebekayisetile ukuthi allow uLilepo attack already Solomon yamazi umdlalo wakhe usayine uye from kuSwallows ngiyacabanga umsayina amazi asase Kaizer Chiefs uyazi ukuthi uSolomon angeke ahlala uzo overlap so kulela side kumele iAmaZulu isebenzise lesa space because uthatha abani uthatha uXTN ubuya ngaphakathi la khona sibona uPhyllis anomthethwa badlala le center back ngale ku left kuno Hanamup so ualawa lo emdlali lo ukuthi okay abahambe then mina ngizosebenzisa lela side ngani ngiyophusha lemdlali lo dlala la ngongwenya ungwenya ongambheka beyangagcwaleli ka right the striker sabo besicalela ngabo while ukutumela beyanga function kule number 10 so wenzeni uset trap mina ngendlela ngibona ngakhona ku Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi okay abasebenzise lela side hileli mina side ngizolisebenzisa because uyazi ukuthi cross bayangeke yakhuphuke kakhulu angayakwazi ukusebenzisa lela side elingale ku cross because uma ungambheka they wedlala ngakhona first half uyichangeile lento uma buya ku second half uma letha abomaqokolo lapha kule sub aletha umdlalo ofana noThabethe udonsa ubani udonsa usithole umphula out ngikhohle just ukuthi udonsa usithole nobani lapha so that nokutumela then uletha ama winger ke second half udlale ngama winger straight because sibona labafana abafaka bo 2 just number 2 and 22 bayodlala ama winger abomaqokolo nomdlalo ofana noThabethe bayodlala ama winger la khona sekuzo operate ubani uXTN uyabuya udlala la phakathi unombanjwa manje we understand so that yila ngibone bazama khona ukuthi sebafuna ukattack iChiefs bayatholile ama chances la khona ngibone ba miss amanye ama chances sometimes bekuba i4v2 uyabona ukuthi itrap yabo bese right bakhuphuka ngama winger banomdlalo ofana nobani nongwenya up front but mina ngicabanga ukuthi second half udlala engcono ucoach Athazwane compare kune first half because ubonile iChiefs mayletha boSerini seyila khona naye azama ukuthi umbanjwa noXTN abahlali then 4-2-3-1 now sebabuyile manje bobani abo Felix uhlezi unomthetho siyambona uHanamup naye akasamove siyambona umdlalo udlala ngapha ku right back naye uhlezi lo yamdlali akasakhuphuki because yila khona beka assistwa khona why because of bekabheke lento ukuthi uma uRadebe akhuphuka kumele abuye azo assista uKiken because uKiken aleni mongabheka beka la first half ku center back allowing umdlalo ofana naye ulo lento lebedlala i-right wing ukuthi ibuye izo assista uyangithola so ngiyacabanga ukuthi uRadebe ukubuya kwakhe lapha kule right back bekwenza ukuthi babe 3 ku center back and lapha uma bayi 3 ku center back badila ngestrike esi1 ku Kaizer Chiefs so ngiyacabanga ukuthi ya man iplan yakhe bokungileyo Shane but give credit to some of abadlali beKaizer Chiefs I think they did very well abomdu badlale kahle kakhulu first half Shane uma ngabheka yeah udlale kahle kakhulu yesterday
scored a goal
yeah
comical celebration I don't know ukuthi bekhuluma nabani but we saw maybe anuyazi but
yeah no injali yenzeka kubadlali Shane but singamvaleli ngaphandle umthetho today I know udlalile Shane ama interception wakamthetho today kunala khona umbona Lwini ibhola angalisebenzisi but as a 6 kukhona lana adlale khona but sidinga nokuthi sometimes sifuna ukubona yonke into iyenza kahle uma ngabe uwina ibhola but for me ngiyacabanga ukuthi udlale kahle kakhulu umthetho today uyahleka Shane
no Mr. Nkewu ngapha I think I don't know but ke had a good game
had a good game
but Bobusini enkosi kakhulu mhlobo wami for your analysis
FNB
okay
kwama njani ngama point manje eSoweto niyalingana mina niyangichaza nina nifuna ukushiyana Shane nifuna ukuhambisana no2 but ngibona ngathi bakhona bazosala manje asivale Shane the league is open uzokutshela ukuthi the league is open yeah
Yalithanda uchuku mina
no angithanda uchuku mara ngithanda ngoba nichaza ngento ewani niyathandana Shane niyashare bheka manje ngathi niyalingana ngama point but ngibona ngathi ukhona ozosala Shane
Madivale, thank you so much for your analysis. FNB Stadium is Kaizer Chiefs 1, Amazulu 1, umdlalo weBetway Premiership. Thank you so much for watching iDiski TV.
Shapunjani bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to iDiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafowethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe iDiski TV.